So, Jill want to know what's inside this bag. Hang on. What is that, you ask? It's a frickin' loofah. Yeah, and it's got all the seeds fell out of it though. Hang on. This is what it looks like. So let me go ahead. I don't think this camera angle is going to be very good, but here we go. Let me set this down. Gotcha. Okay, this is a lot more difficult. Calvin gave me this. See? I mean, how are you supposed to, like, peel this off there? I mean, I'm ready for this. This is all natural. But it just takes forever. Look, this is gonna take me hours to get this. But it's not breaking off and like. So anyway, this is like a dried squash from the squash family. I don't want a cigarette though. Darn. Yeah, but it takes forever to peel.
Really?
Yeah. I'm almost done with my loofah. There we go. Hey, here filming, advertising. Down here at the Promised Land B&B, we grow loofahs. A little bit of human blood there, but look at this. There you go. Do you want some, Jen?
I don't care. It looks cool.
It does look cool. Oh man, that's a little abrasive.
I think they're supposed to be.
It's very abrasive.
You gotta get it wet.
It's very abrasive. Where are we? Whoa, magic. Wow.